Hi, hello, my dear children. I hope all of you are staying safe. In this session, we are going to continue Chapter 6, Triangles, Exercise 6.2, Sum number 5. The question is, in the given figure, DE parallel to OQ and DF parallel to OR show that EF is parallel to QR. Okay? Now, I'll just explain the figure and the question. What are the given information? So we will collect and then we'll move to, then we will find what are we supposed to prove. Okay. PQR is a triangle. O is a point in the interior of the triangle. OP, OQ, OR are joined in this. So, big triangle PQR, O is the point, OP, OQ, OR are joined. And these three line segments divide the big triangle into three triangles. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And next what is given? D is a point on P, OP. And then next what is given? DE is drawn parallel to OQ. Then the second information is DF is drawn parallel to OR. These are the given informations. Two informations are given. Using these two informations, we have to prove EF, the line passing through the point E and F, is parallel to the base of the triangle QR. I think you might have understood the question now and you might have understood the figure clearly. Okay. So, DE parallel to OQ in which triangle? POQ. So, we are given parallel and the parallel line is in a triangle. In a triangle, a line passing through the point E and D is parallel to its base. So, which theorem you can use? You have to use the BPT. Okay. So, using BPT, you can write what? The other two sides are divided in the same ratio. That is PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO. Okay. And then, in the same way, we can take the other triangle POR. In this, DF is parallel to OR. So, again applying BPT, you can write two ratios. That is, the sides PR and OP are divided in the same ratio. Okay. So, first we will write the two steps. Then we will think what are we supposed to do. Okay. So, given in triangle POQ is parallel to OQ. That is the first information. And the second information is in the other triangle POR. DF is parallel to OQ. This is the second information given. Using this, what are we supposed to prove? The line passing through the point E and F is parallel to the base QR of the big triangle. Okay. Now, let us write the proof. In triangle POQ, DE parallel to OQ. So, by applying VPT, this is the green shaded triangle. We are first considering the the triangle which is shaded with green color. Okay. So DE parallel to OQ, therefore PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO. PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO. By what theorem? BPT. You name this as 1. Then, what is given? What the information is given? The second information is in this triangle. So, this is the first step. Then, second step. We are going to consider the other triangle which is not shaded. What is the triangle? POR. DF parallel to OR. So using this, which ratios are equal? PF by FR is equal to PD by DO. Again, by what theorem? BPT. Name this as 2. Now, when you consider the two equations, what is clear? You just observe the right hand side. The right hand sides are equal. Therefore, the left hand sides are also equal. Isn't it, children? So you can write, therefore, PE by EQ is equal to what? PF by FR. From 1 and 2. Name this as 3. Okay. Now, PEQ. Now you just take the big triangle PQR. PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. I have drawn it separately to have a clear idea. So in this big triangle, we are not considering now, because if you see this, it will be more clear. PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. If two sides are divided in the same ratio by a line in a triangle, then that line is parallel to the third side. Isn't it? So, by which theorem you can apply? Converse of BPT. BPT is parallel to ratio. Converse is the ratio to parallel. The other two sides are divided in the same ratio by the points E and F. Therefore, the line passing through the points E and F is parallel to the third side. Okay. So, this is the third one. In triangle PQR, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. From, you can name this as 3, no? 3. Therefore, EF parallel to Q hence I think you may have understood this. Thank you, children. Be safe. God bless you all.